in this universe is created from dust and returned to dust. We've gone through several evolutions. We have been hunters, we settled and became gatherers, started building communities and did agriculture. And now we're producers and consumers, transforming our life from survival to comfort. For the past 200,000 years, the way we deal with death doesn't change much. We either bury or burn. And death is inevitable for all living beings. Just like our aging process, death is part of our life circle, and it is certain. We might cease to exist at any instant. Love and care we shared led us to create rituals around passing away of our beloved. Once we lived in a connected society with more people around us, but now we're just a family with few connections. With science, we have a long way from cooking, medicine, and manufacturing. With all these advancements, we have drastically decreased the mobility rate. However, we are also scientifically progressing. The most common practice of body upcycling is through organ donations. That way, we're giving back to the society we grew up in. But once our organs are being removed, a larger portion of the human form is conventionally dealt. Our body is either being buried or burnt. The human body is composed of various chemical compounds. Many of the chemical compounds can be harvested for further use, such as calcium and phosphorus, and we've discovered that the human body composed with full of calcium and phosphorus. According to ABS, 160,909 registered deaths were recorded in 2018. That means calcium and phosphorus are scattered in the Australian soil. The amount of energy usage in cremation process is equivalent to 7.7 km energy consumption of journey by car, whereas coffin composite materials lead to tons of chemical releases into burial ground. The chemical used for embalming, formaldehyde, is also scattered in the soil, which equal to 32 swimming pools. We can question the sustainability of the funeral practices, whether this can be changed, and perhaps creating a better place for our future generations. The process of upcycling our physical form starts from the current cemetery, which will be equipped with the facilities to remove the moisture. The moisture is removed from the deceased one, and converting the body to fine particles favorable for extraction. From the fine particles, the calcium and phosphate compounds are extracted. These elements are then used in fertilizer production, from dust to dust, with more good to the place that created and kept us alive.